Finally got to see the video. Unfortunately, your rapping skills have disappointed me because you lip sync. So I'm gonna wait for the part to come up so I can actually rap it for you. Okay? Cool. Just gonna wait a little bit, you know. It's only 11:53 at night. I have class tomorrow morning. No big, you know. Me. Can I get that joke? Can I get that money? Can I get that coke? Can I get that Henny? Can I get that mug? Can I get salt around that rim tray? I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? Okay, let's get in there. I'm gonna keys with the keys. Oh fuck. Keys to the bands. If I oh shit, I don't know the part. Then you fuck a double lot of money and then you suck up. I'm sorry, I'm really such a lady. I rep your money, you know, slam, baby. And we be doing donuts while we waving the 380. We give a lot of money to the babies out in Haiti, yelling all around the world. Do you hear me? Do you love my body and a nigga? Now, double doses. Ever seen your cup? Got a couple bottles, but a couple ain't enough. Yeah, so I thought I might add that. But, figure I may add this song.
I hate college remix. I hate college, but love all the parties. Finishing cakes and crushing bottles of Bacardi. King of the class, I'd rather lay up with a hottie. Single doesn't mean I'm looking for somebody. Some say they drink Blaze up or Harley. Popping PK, ski a little bit of Molly. Am I on my mind? Most people say probably, but I've been on my grind, puffing us of that collie. Pack my bag, no parents didn't drop me off. I fell lost, saw some herbs all wearing Lacoste. A couple dudes and pennies must have played lacrosse. Grab my duffel and I hustle through the dormitory doors. Of course, my homie lived on the same floor. Soon the blow trees get down.
Yeah, I'm going home tomorrow. The parental units are picking me up tomorrow around 6ish, kind of ish. I'm going home until Thursday. I leave Friday morning to go to Bing, to see Nicole and Drake, you know, because Drake is going to Bing. And then staying in Bing until Sunday, and then I come back here until Thanksgiving. I know. So you should come visit, okay? Cool. One love. Peace out.